Well, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Captain Al Barnes and the entire crew, very warm welcome to London. Just a quick time check for you. It's just approaching 5 minutes to 1 in the afternoon. In just a few moments, we'll have you arriving at Heathrow Terminal 5A. Until then, please do remain seated and with your seatbelt fastened, and until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt signs. You can now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on any handheld electronic devices. Before leaving us today, please do ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you, and do remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated area. When the seatbelt signs have been switched off, we do kindly request that you remain seated and refrain from collecting any of your personal belongings from any overhead stowages. And to support continued distancing, we'll be disembarking the aircraft in small groups as previously mentioned. And we therefore ask you to remain seated until your row number has been announced. When you are retrieving items from overhead lockers, do take care, as some items will have moved around and they could fall out, causing injury to yourself or someone around you. As you disembark today, please do try to maintain a distance of 2 meters between yourself and the person in front of you. And just a reminder that face masks are a requirement to be worn here at Heathrow Airport. Now, once you've left the aircraft, if your journey ends here at Heathrow today, you should simply follow the yellow signs for arrivals. And if you have a flight connection today from Heathrow, the purple signs to flight connections. Just a note for those customers on the BA1391 to Barcelona this afternoon at 2:20. Your flight today will depart from gate A11, that's Alpha 11. Well, all of us here at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome home those of our customers who live here in London and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you've got further to travel today, then we wish you, as always, a safe and pleasant home journey. But it has been our pleasure to serve you, and we do hope to have the opportunity to welcome you on board another British Airways flight in the not too distant future. Once again, from us all, thank you, take care, and a very good afternoon.
Category doors manual and cross check. Thank you.